What's up, YouTube? I just got my Superior Spider-Man box today, so let's open it up, see what we got. I know I saw, I think it was Who Dat that got an Iron Man 55. Nice, congrats, man. Hopefully I get something like that, but I'm usually not very good at these things, so I guess we'll find out. What we got here was worth the $250 I paid for it. Let's find out. Let's find out. I'm gonna guess not, but we'll see. Well, yeah, I guess so. Not too bad. Let's see here what we got. These are the raw copies. So I got a signed book. I'm not sure who signed it. Sorry. Not up on Infinity War, but so that's the first one. Got a Kirkham so far. And I got a Punisher Perillo. That's pretty cool. And I got a Deceased #1. I don't know what this is, but pretty cool. But yeah, I think the slab makes up for it because I got a 9/8 if Deadpool possessed Venom. So yeah, not too shabby. Pretty cool. And I got a shirt. I got the white one. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Tuesday night, be there. New York Warriors auction. I will have some slabs up, definitely. So yeah, see you guys Tuesday night. Actually, I'll just show you what I have. No. Be there and we'll see. Be there. And then you'll see what I have up. Alright, thanks guys. Doodles!